Hey guys, what's going on? So today I planted some trees in my yard, and in the back part of my yard where I didn't want to bring a garden hose out to, so I've been driving all around in creation. It took me 3 stores to find one of these. A freaking watering can. Can you believe it? I've been driving. I went to Home Depot, went to Lowe's, and went to another mom and pop store. Nobody had a watering can. I'm like, where are all the watering cans going? So actually, I found one at Walmart of all places. They had a whole rack of them somehow, and it was the only place in town that had a watering can. And what I did is I stole Brenna's Jeep, and I said, "I'm taking your Jeep because I'm always working on it." And I haven't even got my blue Jeep going yet. I got to put the battery back in that. I think I'll do that tomorrow so I can cruise in that thing. But this old '08 ride's really nice. We threw a lift kit in it. Steve and I did a lift kit. I got a lift kit video on it. So if you're ever thinking about buying one of these, a Jeep, one of these JKs, the rough country lift ride's really good in it. It's soft, it's great for the road, and I've been tooling all around town and the thing. I'm like, now it's my time to come ride in the Jeep, right? So that's what I've been doing for about an hour, looking for a watering can. So that was my day today. We're making more videos. I got a lot of stuff going on this week. Thanks for checking us out, guys.